It keeps on coming behind the cellular phone when I'll make reports because he had to get filmed from the back camera and he knows this. But yeah. So this kid is involved in stealing frames. I'm losing money. This kid is involved in defaming, setting up a defamation. And who? This pig eating bastard. मेरे चोरी कर गए समझे दिस pig eating bastard. और ये डुक्कर खाने वाले किनके गुलाम है मुगलों के समझ में आया और ऐसे कुत्ते इन कुत्तों को ये सुअरों को मदद करते हैं मुगलों के लिए समझ में आया आई एम लूजिंग मनी दिस इज नॉट माई लाइफ इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट आई सेड बिफोर bungalow money which I mean bungalow money my work my frames and all this thing and this garbage is stuck to me so I am losing money समझ में आया इन कुत्तों के ये कुत्ते क्या है ये 10,000 में 100 जन खाने वाले कुत्ते हैं समझ में आया I'm losing a big amount. And what is their business? You see that affair content synopsis, you will find that uh, the same kind of men are wearing woman costume and doing this business. And this racket is connected to this. And this kid is now gonna be part of them. He's a part of them now. If he's helping them, then he's a part of them. Men wearing woman costume and doing the prostitution. Do you get this? This kid is one of them now. And he is working for them. So that's why I go through the affairs content shooting thing. You find that men wearing woman costume and fucking here and there, and you see that. And same kind of people are involved. I made it in 2016. मेरे को क्या करने का है when I know this racket is after me, then I have to show who this racket is, what their real business is. Their men are venture. अभी क्या बताऊं उनके स्कूल कॉलेज में क्या हो रहा है उनके साथ समझ में आया दे गॉट द फाइल्स दे गॉट द फ्रेम्स अभी उनके साथ पब्लिकली क्या हो रहा है वी डोंट नो समझ में आया